All my leaks are now contained. I took some black RTV silicone to seal up this one here. For some reason, it just simply would not seal. I put a new, clean, unabused section of pipe over the fitting, tightened down the cap with a new cap, and it still would not seal for some reason. The rest of the fitting seals up just fine. So, left the RTV silicone dry for about 6 hours. Then I turned back on the water late last night, and as you can see, I am the proud papa of a dry fitting. And I also had to fix the one that was in under the kitchen sink that had a shark bite on it that seemed to have failed. So that all works now too. Anyway, it's a good feeling to have everything working again. In here is the toilet side, and you can see the new valve there. And so the valve will shut off water to the toilet because sometimes the step that flushes the toilet sticks open, and you have to reach down into the toilet, grab the flap, and pull it shut, which is kind of gross. But this will, in the case of any kind of a water emergency with the toilet, now I can shut that water off using the valve. And that's the old hole there. I re-drilled the new hole because of the way the toilet water has to be connected. Okay, so anyway, the new toilet is working nice. Over here you see the new plastic tee that I installed, and the old shark bite tee that was there was leaking. Very rarely do shark bites ever fail, but so I replaced it with the plastic RV tee that has the barbed fitting on it and a compression nut to compress and seal the pipe against the barb. And that's working good too. No more leaking problems. Okay.